In this video, we'll show you how to verify your Discord account. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. After creating your Discord account, you may see a message like this: verification required. This means Discord has detected some unusual activity and wants to ensure your safety and the security of the community. To proceed, click on the Verify by Phone option. Enter your phone number when prompted, then tap Next. Discord will ask you to confirm that you're human by pressing the Confirm button. You'll receive a verification code sent to your phone, so enter that code into the field provided. Afterward, click Verify. You'll also need to enter your password for security purposes. Once the phone verification is complete, you can move on to verify your email. Click Continue to proceed. Now, check your inbox for an email from Discord. Inside, you'll find a button that you can click to verify your email address. Once you've done that, your account will be fully verified, and you're all set.